Hello everyone. Data science and programming are two topics that continue to expand and evolve as computation, knowledge bases, and best practices continue to improve. With the help of this video, you will be able to understand what is data science and its role in extracting meaningful insights from the complex and large sets of data all around us. Data science is a blend of various tools, algorithms, and machine learning principles with the goal to discover hidden patterns from the raw data. As we can see from the image, a data analyst usually explains what is going on by processing history of the data. On the other hand, data scientist not only does the exploratory analysis to discover insights from it, but also uses various advanced machine learning algorithms to identify the occurrence of a particular event in the future. Our data scientist will look at the data from many angles, sometimes angles not known earlier. Data science is primarily used to make decisions and predictive causal analytics, prescriptive analytics, and machine learning. First is predictive causal analytics. If you want a model which can predict the possibilities of a particular event in the future, you need to apply predictive causal analytics. Second is prescriptive analytics. If you want a model which has the intelligence of taking its own decisions and the ability to modify it with dynamic parameters, you certainly need prescriptive analytics for it. Third is machine learning for making decisions. If you have transactional data of a finance company and need to build a model to determine the future trend, then machine learning algorithms are the best bet. And the last one is machine learning for pattern discovery. If you don't have the parameters based on which you can make predictions, then you need to find out the hidden patterns within the dataset to be able to make meaningful predictions. Earlier, the data we had mostly structured and small in size, which could be analyzed by using the simple business intelligence tools. But today, most of the data is unstructured or semi-structured. This data is generated from different sources like financial logs, text files, multimeter form sensors, and instruments. Simple business intelligence tools are not capable of handling such type of data. That is why we need more complex and advanced analytical tool and algorithms for processing, analyzing, and drawing meaningful insights out of it. Every individual has a confusion in understanding the business intelligence and data science. Business intelligence and data science are differ from each other. Business intelligence basically analyze the previous data to find hindsight and insight to describe the business trends. It enables you to take data from external and internal sources, prepare it, run queries on it, and create dashboards to answer the question like quarterly revenue analysis or business problems. It can evaluate the impact of certain events in the near future. Data science is a more forward looking approach, an exploratory way with the focus on analyzing the past or current data and predicting the future outcomes with the aim of making informed decisions. It answers the open ended questions as to what and how events occur. Here are some contrasting features of business intelligence and data science. First feature is data sources. Business intelligence has structured data source. SQL and data warehouse are the example of business intelligence. Data science has both structured and unstructured data logs. Cloud data, SQL, NoSQL, text are some examples of data science. Second feature is approach. Business intelligence has statistics and visualization approach. Data science has statistics, machine learning, graph analysis, neuro-linguistic programming approach. Third feature is focus. Business intelligence focus on past and present. Data science focuses on present and future. Fourth feature is tools. Pentaho, Microsoft BI, Q like View are some tools used in business intelligence. RapidMiner, BigMill, Weka are some tools used in data science. Lifecycle of data science is divided into 6 phases. Phase 1 is discovery. In this phase, a developer assesses the required sources present in terms of people, technology, time and data to support the project. Here, we also need to frame the business problems and formulate initial hypotheses to test. Second phase is data preparation. In this phase, we require analytical sandbox in which we can perform analytics for the entire duration of the project. Phase 3 is model planning. Here, we will determine the methods and techniques to draw the relationships and between variables. Fourth phase is model building. In this phase, you will develop data sets for training and testing purposes. You will analyze various learning techniques like classification, association, and clustering to build the models. Phase 5 is operationalize. In this phase, you deliver final reports, briefings, code, and technical documents. This will provide you a clear picture of the performance and other related constraints on a small scale before full deployment. And the last phase is communicate results. In this phase, you identify all the key findings, communicate to the stakeholders, and determine if the results of the project are a success or a failure based on the criteria developed in phase 1. There are three tools of model planning which are as follows. The first tool is R, second is SQL Analysis Service, and the third is SAS Access. R has a complete set of modeling capabilities and provides a good environment for building interpretive models. SQL Analysis Service can perform in database analytics using common data mining functions and basic predictive models. And the last is SAS Access can be used to access data from various data sources and is used for creating repeatable and reusable model flow diagrams. In the end, it won't be wrong to say that the future belongs to the data scientist. More and more data will provide opportunities to drive key business decisions. It is soon going to change the way we look at the world deluged with data around us. Therefore, our data scientists should be highly skilled and motivated to solve the most complex problems, and will certainly be in great demand. Thank you.